How to plan the perfect science for breakfast, tips for healthy eating from a chef. Please subscribe to my channel. 8 little known facts about science for breakfast. As a chef, I can offer you some tips for healthy eating to start your day off right. While I'm not a nutritionist or dietitian, these suggestions are based on general knowledge and scientific principles of nutrition. Include protein. Protein is an essential component of a healthy breakfast as it helps keep you full and provides sustained energy. Include protein-rich foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, tofu, or lean meats. Prioritize whole grains. Choose whole grain cereals, bread, or oats instead of refined grains. Whole grains are higher in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, providing a steady release of energy and keeping you satisfied for longer. Embrace fruits and vegetables. Incorporate fruits and vegetables into your breakfast to add essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. You can have a fruit salad, add sliced fruits to your cereal or yogurt, or make a vegetable omelet. Healthy fats are important. Include healthy fats in your breakfast for satiety and to support brain function. Avocados, nuts, seeds, and nut butter are excellent sources of healthy fats. Consider adding a spoonful of almond butter to your toast or sprinkling some chia seeds on your yogurt. Limit added sugars. Be cautious about added sugars in breakfast foods like flavored yogurts, sweetened cereals, or pastries. Opt for plain, unsweetened options and sweeten them naturally with fruits or a drizzle of honey. Hydrate with water. Start your day by hydrating your body with a glass of water. Water aids digestion, supports metabolism, and helps maintain overall health. Be mindful of portion sizes. While it's important to have a balanced breakfast, be mindful of portion sizes to avoid excessive calorie intake. Pay attention to your body's hunger cues and eat until you're comfortably satisfied. Prepare in advance. Plan your breakfasts and prepare what you can in advance. This can include prepping overnight oats, cutting fruits the night before, or boiling eggs for easy grab-and-go options in the morning. Remember, these tips are general guidelines, and individual nutritional needs may vary. Consulting a registered dietitian can provide personalized advice based on your specific requirements and health goals. Thanks for watching.